Open MS Word, choose blank document, click Create, click on Layout, change its orientation to landscape, go to Insert, click on Table, insert table, enter the number of rows and columns required, click OK, click this 4-headed arrow and drop the table little down. Select the top layer, click here and select the top row, right click, merge cells, title of your table goes here, click here, click the center alignment, change its font size, change the font face if you want. I made this school timetable. Click the first cell, here you will be typing days of the week. From this cell to the end of row, right click, merge cells. Merging the cells will make all of this into a single cell. Press tab to go to the next column, type Monday here. Press tab to get a new row, Tuesday, Wednesday, keep going, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then Sunday. Click this arrow and drag it down. This will simply increase your table height. Select all of this. You might want to resize your table. Choose your font size. Readjust the table. Readjust the ruler if required. Click the title of your table. Click on Settings. Choose the color. Similarly, apply color to all of the. Select this from this. Click here and choose the font title to yellow. Settings. Settings. This cell. Color according. Readjust if required. At the top of the table, we will be adding a picture. Go to Insert, Picture, from File, browse for your picture, click Insert, right click here, go to Wrap Text, click on Tight, readjust the image. You always want to resize it. If you want to add a picture inside the table, click here, go to Insert, Picture, Insert Picture, choose your image, click Insert, resize the image, right click here, Wrap Text, click on Tight. Increase the font size if you need it. Our table is almost complete. Go to Design, click on Page Border, click on Art, and you can choose any art you want. Click OK. There you go.